All right, our game for this week is Move the Pin. This is our bowling or our rolling line. We're going to be rolling from this line right here. And then we don't have a pin, so we're going to use a Dalek from Doctor Who, one of my kids' toys. So this is spot number 1. This is where we start bowling for that object. You could use a cup, you could use a G.I. Joe guy, a Barbie doll, whatever you want to play with. Here's spot number 2, spot number 3, spot number 4. Now you can use paper plates, or you can use sidewalk chalk like I did. And so we're going to go back. We're going to work on our bowling technique or our rolling technique to knock the Dalek down and then move him to the next spot. All right, I'm going to be using my soccer ball right here. And when you're bowling, you step with your opposite leg, and your opposite arm is the bowling arm. So we're going to start. We're going to try to knock that little Dalek down. All right. We're going to roll. Bam! Knocked him over. All right. So now I'm going to move him to number 2. All right. Try to get real low to the ground when you're bowling or rolling. Oh, I missed. No, poor Kay. All right, so I missed on number 2, so I have to bowl again. Gonna get low. All right, and I want to try to get all the way to step 4. Here, this is the one right here. Ooh, knocked over the Dalek. Woo! All right, and now we're at step 3, and you keep going until you get to step 4, and that is move the pin.